In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a SHEIN coupon code. By the end, you'll know exactly where to enter your code so your discount shows up before you pay. Start by opening SHEIN, either in the mobile app or in your web browser. Give it a moment to load, then browse for the items you want. When you find something you like, choose the size and color if needed, and add it to your cart. Take your time here. Your coupon will only apply to the items you've chosen, and some codes may have exclusions or a minimum spend. So it's helpful to have everything you want in the cart before you move on. When you're ready, go to your cart. You'll usually see a cart icon at the top or bottom of the screen. This page shows your selected items, quantities, and the current subtotal. Double check that everything looks right, then continue by tapping Checkout. On the checkout page, enter your shipping address. Make sure the details are accurate, including your street, city, postal code, and any apartment or unit information. Accurate info here prevents delivery issues and delays. Next, choose your payment method. You'll typically see options like credit or debit card, a digital wallet, or other region-specific methods. Pick the one you prefer for this order. Don't worry, you won't be charged yet. Now, look for the box labeled Coupon Code or Promo Code. This field is usually located in the order summary area during checkout. Tap into that box and type or paste your coupon code exactly as it appears. To avoid typos, copying and pasting is best. Some codes are case sensitive and may not work if there are extra spaces before or after the code. After you've entered the code, tap Apply. Give it a second to process. If the code is valid for your order, the discount will appear automatically and your total will update. You should see the savings reflected in the order summary right away. If it doesn't work, double check that the code hasn't expired, meets any minimum purchase requirement, and applies to the items in your cart. Many codes can only be used once or can't be combined with other promotions. With the discount successfully applied and your total confirmed, complete your payment using the method you selected. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish securely. That's it. Your coupon is applied, your discount is locked in, and your order is on its way.